Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
seared scallops with goat cheese tortellinis, my favorite. In a small bowl, mix goat cheese with parsley and green onions. Season with salt and pepper and refrigerate. Using a melon baller, ball cheese into wonton wrappers and fold into tortellini shape. Keep cold until ready to poach. Next, season scallops with salt and pepper and sear in a frying pan on medium-high heat for about 2 minutes on each side. Then place in a bowl. Then add the tortellinis and peas in boiling water for about 2 minutes. Saute spinach, butter, orange juice, and lime juice. Then add tortellinis, peas, salt, pepper, and scallops in a pan for 30 seconds. Spoon around scallops, then garnish with pomegranate seeds and pepitas. Yum. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.